Eżis telespettaturi, insellmilkom u nilqakom għal dan l-ewwel programm ta' Ntminint għall-2015. Jekk għadkom kif drajtu tiktbu 2014, issa ser ikolkom tidraw tiktbu 2015. Fatt interessanti ħafna huwa li t-Taljani jemnu li jekk bħallum tilbsu liċet ta' taħt ta' kulur aħmar, ikolkom il-prosperità tul is-sena kollha. Għalhekk isimgħu daqsxejn minni wara l-programm morru fitxu fil-gwardarobbi biex taraw x'tistgħu tilbsu bil-kulur aħmar, importanti ħafna. Ser nistidinkom sabiex tiċċelebraw magħna f'dan il-programm b'varjetà sħiħa. Ser ikonna magħna lil band Voodoo Gurus li huma taħlita ta' mużiċisti kemm Awċin u anke Ingliżi. Fosthom ser niltaqgħu ma' Kristanti li huwa kitarrista li jispeċjalizza fil-finger picking. U għandna wkoll il-kantawtriċi Claire Tonna li għandha leħen profond li esprimi ħafna emozzjonijiet fid-diski tagħha wkoll. Tul il-programm kollu ser ikonna wkoll magħna lil Brian Rollet li ħajurina diversi illużjonijiet spettakolari. Ħanaddu mill-ewwel għal dan l-ewwel feature fejn sa naraw ritratti li battunna intom it-telespettaturi tagħna stess fejn ser inġeddulkom il-memorji tas-sena li għaddiet, is-sena 2014. Ħanaraw flimkien.
This is what mother said, you carry a Bible inside your head. Your mother said, listen to the words that give you strength. Don't look at the ground. Listen to your spirit, to the ocean of your sound. Be the waves in flight. Look at your essence, Wahine, Wahine. Go look inside. You got to walk in beauty walk. 'Cause your mother said, you carry a Bible inside your head. Your mother said, listen to the words that give you strength. Love your eyes and your nose, your fingers and your toes. Cellulite, it is more than alright. You're not a TV show. You're real, you're authentic, you're wonderful to know. 'Cause your mother said, you carry a Bible inside your head. Your mother said, listen to the words that give you strength. Be yourself, be your very own self, belong to yourself. Be natural, you're beautiful, more than okay. Get some confidence, girl. 'Cause your mother said, you carry a Bible inside your head. Your mother said, listen to the words that give you strength. You got to walk in your beauty walk. 'Cause your mother said, you have the love right in your head. still inside my mind, putting a heartbeat inside my mouth. Every step is a kiss. When I'm hearing the earth crying, when I know the trees belonging, when I feel the birds sighing. How every step is a kiss. Every step is a kiss. Let me sweat in your path, make me wet inside your womb. Let me fall into your water. I want to become part of you. Let me dive in your tide, mold my feet with your mud. I want to taste your blood. Oh, every step is a kiss. Every step is a kiss. Someone walking to the fountain. I am swimming in her tide. Oh, I'm walking to the fountain. I'm bowing my head inside her tongue. I'm walking to the fountain. The tea tree clouds up above my head. See, I'm walking to the fountain. Oh, I need to wash my head. Every step is a kiss. Every step is a kiss. Oh, this is where I was born, where the earth aches no more. As it breaks to make the water flow, you see the fountain, it makes me whole. Every step is a kiss. Every step is a kiss.
ambition set your ground. I'm ambition, again I will explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. I could say say, Bella, Bella, even wonder by each line with only hands me take. How grand do I try to explain me ambition? So kiss me and say you understand. I could say, Bella, Bella, even wonder by each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I've tried to explain my ambition, so kiss me and say you understand. By me ambition, please let me explain. By me ambition is that you're clear. By me ambition, again I will explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. I could say, Bella, Bella, even wonder by your language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I've tried to explain by me ambition, so kiss me and see you understand.
Taħsbu li jekk nagħmlu l-istrib jimxu jkollna ħafna aktar xaħmet l-art f'Malta? Ħawadkom mhux veru. U għandkom raġuna x'ħawadna wkoll il dawk in-nies kollha li għamilnilhom il-Vox Pop. Ammur ħanaraw dan il-feature flimkien.
U kemm tieħu tema l-kafe?
Kemm nieħu
Tema l-kafe.
tema l-kafe? Tema l-kafe, ġifieri ġast ngħidlek tema.
Ma taħux tema l-kafe?
Kemm nieħu tema l-kafe? Kemm tieħu?
Tema l-kafe. U taħseb li d-dwarf rabbits jistgħu jgħixu fuq il-minimum wage?
Snerġa tirrepeti.
Taħseb li d-dwarf rabbits jistgħu jgħixu fuq il-minimum wage u jekk jistgħu kemm taħseb li jbiqalhom karrotti once li jixtru li kellu jħallsu l-kera?
Ma nafx nista' nirrispondi.
Ma tantx li fehem ta' mistoqsija ma tantx ta'.
Jekk naqbad kelb nqaxxru qisu l-jun, il-klieb l-oħra jirrispettaw iktar?
Ma naħsibx. Ma naħsibx li jifmew li ħajkun differenti.
Kolli kelb nqaxxru qisu l-jun. Taħseb li l-klieb l-oħra ituħ iktar apprezzament?
M'għandix idea.
Taħseb, Iva.
Ekku kolli nsaqsik il-piżelli ma lim speċi ta' xadini għamlu.
Il-piżelli. Ma jagħmlu ma l-ebda tip ta' speċi ta' xadini naħseb jien.
Piżelli.
Ma lim speċi ta' xadini.
Orangutan? Ma nafx. Okay.
Jekk naqbdu grupp srib u nalmu għam jimxu, taħseb li jkollna żieda fl-ammont ta' xaħmet l-art ġo Malta?
Jekk naqbdu xiex. Ma nafx, naħseb.
Jekk naqbdu ħafna srib u nalmu għam jimxu, ikollna żieda ta' xaħmet l-art Malta?
Hija mistoqsija stramba.
Banana, mill-lim naħat tqaxxara biex tiġi toma ta' basla.
Minna ħad isfel.
Minn fuq.
U taħseb li taħtes li qegħdin l-imsida għandhom jenataw breathalyzers ħabban nugrofon?
Taħtes, breathalyzers! Hemm budget għalih? Naħseb li jekk min naf jisu biex taħtes toqgħod iddur magħhom u tagħtihom breathalyzers naħseb ma nafx. Jiddependi fuq il-kuntest ma minx qed niffollowja.
Taħseb li tfal taħt id-9 xhur għandhom jitlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol?
Taħt id-9 xhur. Fista jkun.
Bu li tfal taħt id-9 xhur għandhom jitlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol?
Taħt kemm?
Taħt id-9 xhur?
Le, Le.
Taħseb li jitrabi ta' taħt id-9 xhur għandhom jitlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol?
Le, si, xu.
Bu li tfal taħt id-9 xhur għandhom jitlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol?
Iwa.
U mill-1 sa 10 kemm taħseb li għandek żmien?
Mill-1 sa 10? 5.
U mill-1 sa 10 kemm taħseb li għandek żmien?
Kemm għandi żmien jien? Impossibbli, jew.
U mill-1 sa 10 kemm taħseb li għandek żmien?
Naf kemm għandi żmien.
Ma mill-1 sa 10 kemm taħseb li għandek?
4.
U mill-1 sa 10 kemm taħseb li għandek żmien?
18.
to live like I'm dying tonight, like a white butterfly on a 12-day flight. I'm going to go inside, in the silence of my wings, aimlessly as the universe sings. I'm going to live like I'm dying tonight, where everything is on, awaken to a dawn. Here is my nothing, the silence of a butterfly dancing. I'm going to live like I'm dying tonight, 'cause I woke up to joy, I woke up to bliss, I woke up to the silence, oh, the sacred touch of a butterfly's kiss. I am awake, it's life, it's life. I am awake, it's life, it's life. So I'm going to live like I'm dying tonight. Oh, balance, there were times I lost my balance. I surrendered to the void, to the empty, to the naked. Could you see my wings are bare? Oh, full of nothing. I am awake, I am awake. It's life, it's life. So I'm going to live like I'm dying tonight. Oh, little white dove, I see how you love. Now I love. I'm going to live like I'm dying tonight, where everything is on, awaken to the door. He is my nothing, the silence of a butterfly dancing.
From where you are, you see the smoke that to rise where they play cards, and you walk over south and moving past the guards. The stakes are getting higher, you can feel it in your heart. He calls your bluff, he is the ace, you never thought he played that much, and now it's more than all his cards you want to touch. You'll never know if winning this could really be enough. Take a look beyond the moon, you'll see the stars. And when you look around, you'll know the room by heart. I cannot believe it, I've never seen a night like this. I cannot believe it, silhouette creates an image in the night I can't forget. I hear the scent of something special, I can rest. If I resist temptation, oh, I know for sure that I will lose a bet. I will walk away and suddenly it seems I'm not alone. In front of me he stands, I stop before he goes. I cannot believe it, I've never seen a night like this. I cannot believe it, I've never seen a night like this. When everything you think is incomplete, it's happening when you are cheat. Could you ever dream it? I've never dreamed a night like this. I cannot believe it, I've never seen a night like this. I cannot believe it, I've never dreamed a night like this. When everything you think is incomplete, starts happening when you are cheat. Could you ever dream it? I've never dreamed a night like this.
U bekk wasanna fit-tmiem ta' dan il-programm. Jiena minn qalbi nixtieq nirringrazzja lill-artisti kollha li ħadu sehem sabiex jittella dan il-programm, grazzi wkoll lid-direzzjoni tal-Istitut tal-Arti u d-Disinn u lil dawk kollha li ħadu sehem sabiex ikun jista' jittella dan il-programm. Minn qalbi nixtieq lilkom it-telespettaturi is-sena tajba lil kulħadd. Grazzi ħafna tal-li segwejtuna. Ciao ciao.